our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to brainstorm video ideas using ChatGPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to brainstorm video ideas using ChatGPT, all you can do is simply go to ChatGPT. So once you're in your ChatGPT, all you gotta do now is simply get quantity and variety. You need to simply provide text or like context to ChatGPT, ask for a list, like generate 15 video ideas for this niche, or like list 10 video formats and stuff like that. And then you need to refine and expand your quality and depth. You need to simply get the output from ChatGPT, drill down and change the perspective. You can use frameworks, you can connect your concepts, you can structure your request, and you can generate titles and thumbnails with the help of ChatGPT as well. So you need to be specific, you need to iterate it, you need to define your roles and add keywords. So this is how you can brainstorm video ideas using ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.